So last growing season, we experimented with AgXplore's ValuPak. I had a product delivered to me by a university that they wanted me to use and experiment with. So I said, you know what? I'm going to try some ValuPak, because if I'm going to try an experiment, I'm going to try out, 2 or 3 things at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a good thing I did that, because we come to find out that the product that the university was recommending is actually aborted fruit. The tree started flushing really, really vigorously with nice leaves. Well, something happened with that product. It was a negative effect. It aborted a lot of fruit. It was bad. The AgXplore ValuPak, instead of pushing a vegetational growth, it created a more flowering bloom, uniform bloom, and the crop that it stuck on those particular trees was just phenomenal in comparison to the rest. I think we had probably in the range of a 40 to 50% heavier crop load on that ValuPak experiment versus anything else on the farm.